So I got this one leaking. First we're gonna need rebuilding it. We need to pump like this, and let's start it. This one, and then we can see a little bit dirty here, very dirty actually. So now we need to suck the old .4. Then we need to release, and then we start sucking. How dirty it is, and probably most likely gone. You can even hear it. Let's remove all bolts. This is like protection, like a cover. And that's how it looks. Proper dirty, yeah. I hope so. I'll try to not get in nothing. And then slowly to pull out. Bam. And that's how it looks. Remove a pipe. You don't need that. And that's how it looks. This is little bubble when you're pressing, like cylinder, like a brake cylinder. And that's pressing the clutch to other side now. The clutch plate is on the other side. This is like a long bar, and if you press on this one, and you're engaging the gearbox from engine, hydraulic. And basically, if it's one of those inside leaking, or here those little rubbing bands, and that's it. Or even this one. Oh, look, even broken. Look, that's why probably was the issue. But now I got new one, so let's remove this one. Let's see. Let's clean this one a little bit, yeah. Definitely need new washers. Oh, how dirty. Definitely need to clean, guys. Proper clean before doing anything. To push out cylinder, you can use just a simple pump. Okay, was proper pop now. Let's put the new one. Bam. Oh yeah, big difference. This is like proper gone. Let's put new rubber band. This will be a new rubber band. Bam. Bam. Okay. Oh, this one damaged. Look, this one damaged. But I have a new one. That should be alright. This is extra, it's alright with all those sealants. We'll see. No, if you're gonna leak, we know that one issue. So this one is changed, and then another one should put there. Slide down. Bam. Okay. New one is on. Then you need this old spring. Let's put new spring. This is new one. Let's see different. Left is new. Yeah, it's smaller. Look, you can see it is definitely smaller by millimeter too. Let's put new spring. Bam. Loaded. Bam. This is on, and that's it. And that's how we're gonna squeeze it slowly in. Maybe some lubrication will be nice, yeah. That's a good idea, actually. This is .4. Need gloves, better than I have now at the moment. Let's put a little bit lubrication. Spring. And slowly Let's put slowly in. Let's slowly. Oh, I got in. I got in. Let's double check. All good. All good. Let's put back this rubber, some kind of protection. Bam, bam. Little wipe up. Bam. Actually quite easy. So two rubbers, one outside, one inside. Then new spring inside, and let's change those ones as well. So that way I'm not gonna forget. This is old one. Bam. I got new ones. Bam. This is new ones. Here as well. Looks gorgeous. Look at this. Looks gorgeous. And it's ready to go in actually. Let's clean our overside. Let's clean this overside. Make sure it's clean and nice. Bam, bam, bam. I think you can even pull out this rod. Oh yeah, you can. Look. See how long? It's quite interesting, yeah. But we don't need them. Let's put in this one. We got this one. Let's put one washer on the top, one under, and let's put just for holding it in place. Again, just to make sure it slides easier. Bam, bam. Then we got our protector, where it's going on the top like this. Let's try to keep it clean, this one. Let's put back little piece. Bam. And that's it now. Now next step, to fill up the system. To fill up the system, you need something like this. Big syringe, how you call syringe. You're gonna suck in .4. You're gonna suck in full .4. Nice clean .4. That's okay, let me fill up. And then you're gonna connect pipe. The pipe. Make sure all the air is gonna be gone. You can see where it's traveling. Bam. Make sure it's all the air will be up. That's it, no air. And then you're gonna connect this syringe on the bleeding bolt. Bam. If you still have air bubbles, like I do a little bit, just make sure there's nothing there. And then you're gonna release the bleeding bolt. Bam. Even you can see all air come out. Let's keep this as and gentle. You're gonna squeeze. You can see how this is bubble. Look. You don't need this bubble. Come up, 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 yeah. That's okay. And gentle, you're gonna squeeze. And then in some point should come in here. And slowly You can see I'm pressing slowly up, and look, coming, all the way up. Let's go to maximum now. After you're gonna just suck in, suck out, a little bit too much. When bubbles come out, and should be. Let's hold with that here. Make sure it a little bit all bubbles come out, especially for. You can even press a little bit. That's not a problem. And then just shut down the bleeding. And the clutch should be already coming. Oh, definitely feels nice. You can even hear the clutch. Sounds not bad, yeah. Let's see how it works. Was not bad, yeah. All good. Thank you for watching, guys. See you later next time.